Hey guys, Emerson here with Truck Life. It's a beautiful Saturday, and before it gets too hot, I'm going to undercoat my truck. It's part of keeping it running well, also part of keeping it clean, but it's important here in Florida. So what we're going to try to do here is I'm just going to be underneath the truck. It looks like there's a substantially more amount of rust on this truck just in the last 3 months than there has been potentially up in Iowa, in the Midwest where I was. Just all that chloride, all that salt coming off of the ocean and the debris. So the tools I'm going to need here are wire brushes to get that surface rust off, anything I can see underneath on the chassis. And then I'm going to spray it with some rust neutralizer, which should take the rest of the remaining rust and turn it into a paintable surface, or at least a prime surface, as long as it's sealed effectively, which I'm going to use the fluid film for. I'm going to use it to basically coat the underside of that chassis and prevent any more rust from forming. I've got my safety glasses, I've got some gloves, and a towel just to wipe up any excess. I also grabbed a can of just some compressed air to get some of that rust, whatever I've brushed off already. So you'll notice a big difference here. I've removed the spare tire with all the and then here we are again into the front. So here we are now. I finished the undercoating. Looks pretty good. Here's the front. So just finished. I had to change all of my clothes. Cost me it's going to cost me another $10 just in laundry and wipes. Rust converter was $10 each. I got 2 of those for 20 bucks. The undercoating, I used 6 cans of the fluid film for $60. 2 cans of high heat paint for the exhaust lines. That was $10 each. So for a total of $100, I undercoated my entire truck. Should last, I'm going to check every 3 months, should last a year. So while I was down there, I did a visual inspection of all of my my steering components, exhaust, suspension. I have another video that goes through that step by step. Thanks for watching. Love you, kiddos.